Hey guys, wanna know how to sign up or create an account in GeeksforGeeks? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, first off, simply open up your GeeksforGeeks application. Now, once you're here, you should be provided with this prompt right here. This shows your login and sign up page. So right here in the bottom, here you can see don't have an account, sign up option right here. Simply press on it. And now just type in your email first off, then institution or organization, and then type in your password. And once that is done, just simply select sign up. Now simply log in with your previous credentials, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.